Hello everyone, I'm Akash, and as always, I came up with another trading recap. So today is 13th of Feb. Um, yeah, so I didn't do much, like I didn't trade much. Actually, it is my daughter's vacation day, so I could not spend much time in front of screen or charts. So yeah, I'll tell you like how I did, and I think those one also are a little like forced trades. Like I didn't spend much time in front of charts before taking those trades. I think I should have taken off today, but yeah, I traded. Okay, so I'll go through the trades I took. There were two trades I took. There were two trades which I took today. First one was IMAX. Yeah, I think IMAX it is. IMAX. It's a small cap, small float stock. And so I did this. Yeah, I don't know why. You can see like how choppy and how bad looking this chart is. I should not have traded this chart, but yeah, like it was before this, and then when I see this, like it's a huge up move. Then I thought like, yeah, I can try this because it started looking little bit better. Like price action started looking little bit better from here. So I got in here. I wanted like so I got in at 112 ish something. Um, um, and yeah, 110 was my stop loss. So generally what people do is whatever is the low, they keep their stop loss 1 cent below, or maybe somewhat below that. But generally what I do is
Market
like
data connection lost.
my level was like I wanted it to go to 113. As soon as it went to like
Market data
ask went to
connection
113,
re-established.
I just pressed buy, and fortunately I got filled at 112 something. And yeah, so 110 was my stop loss. And why I keep stop loss as the low of the day instead of keeping 1 cent below the low of that candle is because I want this to work as soon as it went up. I don't want it to come back to this level again. If it is coming back to this level again, that means my setup is broken. Like my setup did not work this time. So yeah, I have to accept that loss. And it happens sometimes there. So yeah, that's how it is. But yeah, I wanted it to fail at 113, and 110 was my stop loss, and 122 was my TP. So if I show you like this line was is my TP, it is I think one of the levels. So yeah, here you can see at 742 is tapped 122. So I wanted it to tap it again, but unfortunately it went to 120 but not 122, and it came back down. uh, Even though it was here you can see $7 win for me, but as a process, like as the process which I follow or which I want, I don't follow it actually, but yeah, I want to follow that process. So according to that, I should not have exited here, because like it's like 2R is crossed and 3R is my TP. So my rule is like if it crosses 2R, you have to move your stop loss to break even. So here you can see 112. So my stop loss should have been 113, because that's what I targeted as a like entry price. So 113 should be my exit price, like a break even price. But I don't know. I just got scared because there's a huge red candle. It's like it eaten up two green candles in one red candle. So I just got little scared and just sold it with like $7 profit, which is like 0.7 R for me because I generally keep $10 as my risk. So what I do is $10 is my risk for making $30. So in that case, I made like 0.7 R, but if I followed my process, I should have made 0 R in this, or maybe like whatever. Like, but yeah, like it should have been a break-even trade, but I did not follow my process. So yeah, this is one setback for me. even though I was green in this, but I think I did not follow my rules. And if you don't follow your rules, it's like you cannot succeed in trading. That's what I think. So this was my first trade, and yeah, there's one more reason. Like not only this, but yeah, my daughter was also there behind me. She was also doing something, so my mind was occupied there as well. And I knew like she'll call me like very soon. So I just wanted to get out. I don't want to hold it for long. I should have got out at 120 maybe, but yeah, I thought like it would go above 120, but it did not. So yeah, so that's the first trade I took. Then second trade was MLEC. Where's that? Yeah, this is a good stock. Like this gave a good move today. Even though I did not trade it, I could not trade it much. So yeah. So like this one, I should have gotten at 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, but yeah, it was a fourth, so I could not. But yeah, I should have gotten at 10:38 to go to, for it to go to I think 12:25 to 12:24 or something. Yeah, it went to 12:23. So yeah, like 12:24 was my target, but it would not have hit that. But okay, so this is one thing, and then yeah, and I did not take this trade. Even though I was here, I should have taken this, but it was also against my rules. But yeah, I knew like this will work, but yeah, this was against my rules, so I did not take it. This was also against my rules, so I could not take it as well. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. And then yeah, this is the trade which I actually took. So what happened was, yeah, I could see like this is a good up wave. Then it came back down with a huge volume. Then it just consolidated a bit. It went up to 9 EMA. Now I'm in, not in, like now I'm in, like I'm focusing on this. Like yeah, it went above 9 EMA. So I was just waiting for a candle to come down and then again push high. So as soon as it crossed this 9.81, which is 9.82, I got in with the stop loss at 960. So for 3 hour, the TP was what it is 1048. Yeah, 1048. But it tapped 1045. Again it went and tapped 1044. But as you can see, there's a clear double top. As soon as there are double tops, I should have at least got out with like half of my position. Um, but I did not, and I wanted to commit. I was committed to my process, and then again it went tried going up. Again it went down, and as soon as it went down, I thought like it's time. I should get out, break even. I tried getting out at break even. I got that lucky $3 profit. But yeah, like this one was a good trade. It could not tap 1048, which was my target. It just tapped 1045, 1044. So two times it tapped, and I can see double top. I should have got out, but I don't know. Like I don't feel like getting out because I mean that I never decided this in my rules. Yeah, like by looking at it, I can see like it's a clear rejection. Um, but yeah, I'm still trying to like update my rules according to how market works. But yeah, this one should have been a easy get out because it's clearly not working. But yeah, I got out with $3. I should have got out somewhere here at 1023 instead of getting out at 990. Okay, so yeah, then here you can see like it again tapped this 10 20, 1040 something, and again it could not work. And here also, even if I would have gotten again at 1021 or something, then I should have got out at 1013 or something. Yeah, so that would have been a small loss, but yeah, I could not trade it. Um, as much as I want, I could not trade it because yeah, like my daughter was there, and I don't want her to feel that it's just working and working and working. Okay, yeah. So these are the two trades I took. I'm happy. Like for entry, I like this whole wave was there in front of me. Like I was seeing it like maybe on and off because I was focusing on my daughter as well. but yeah, I was seeing this this price action, but I could not see my setup, so I did not enter. So this is also an important thing. Like I stopped feeling FOMO now. So I don't just jump in because I can see a huge green candle, a huge green candle, a huge green candle. I don't jump in there. I want my clear 1 2 3, and that can happen only with the right setup. Because if I jump in here, I cannot say like I'll go for 1 2 3. I don't know whether it will go for 1 2 3 or not. If I jump in here, I don't know if I can say I'll go for 1 2 3. It won't work out that way. So my strategy is for 1 2 3 RR, and that only works when setup is there. If there is no setup, just don't do it. Just don't trade it. That's it. That's so simple. Okay. So yeah, that is it. These are the two trades I took. I made like $3 here and $7 in the previous trade. So it's a $10. So I made 1 hour today. That's it. Just remember, guys, trading is very risky and it takes toll on your